What's going on, everybody? This is the Blockchain Backer, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency news and analysis. Today, we're going to be taking a quick look over the markets, including the Bitcoin price chart and the altcoin market. We're also going to peek over there at the stock market as we get ready to start going into the wrap up of the year here pretty soon. There's only about 11 days left in 2023. And I wanted to check in with you guys and keep it kind of light, tight, and bright as I get ready to go into the holiday for myself. If you've been keeping your eyes over here on X or Twitter, following with Markets in the Morning and my recent videos, talking about me going on holiday right now for Christmas, I will be off from December 21st through December 26th, which is tomorrow, Thursday through Tuesday. There's a little bit of bittersweet with that because we've created such a wild community really in Markets in the Morning. And this is really just a part of my everyday life, getting on here, checking out markets, getting on and communicating the things that I see here through the microphone. And stepping away for 6 days is a little bit out of my norm of what my life is usually like. But the one thing I do know is that all these charts will be here when I get back. And fortunately, as we head into this holiday period, into the Christmas season, and I do understand a lot of people celebrate different holidays. For me, it is Christmas for me and my family. It's a good chance to just kind of reflect back on what 2023 has been like. And as we all know, 2022 was just a complete nightmare. And it's funny to really just look at this market and how it has done since January 1st, and that ever since the start of the new year, the start of 2023, we really just rallied our way out of there and then headed into the cruel summer of ABC correction. And now as we get ready to wrap up the rest of the year, we just kind of keep that momentum going. And so 2023 undoubtedly has been an improvement over 2022. We just had kind of a desert crossing phase that really just felt like it lasted forever during the bulk of the year. But fortunately, as we get ready for 2024, we have like optimism to look forward to the new year and know that things have been on a much better track this year than they were in 2022. I have no doubt in my mind 2024 will be full of lots of curveballs and lots of craziness. In 2024, we're going to find out what's going to happen with the stock market when it gets to that 4.236 extension, so long as it does. And we'll see how crypto reacts during some type of chaotic, euphoric, blow off top or something coming in the stock market. But I'm definitely grateful for a better year that we've had this year. And as we go into the holidays, we're kind of finishing 2023 with a little bit of strength over here. Whereas when we finished 2022, we had just come off of, FTX, all that nightmarish stuff happening in there. And that's just a polar opposite of just what we're doing here in 2023. We're going into 2023 with a lot of optimism, whether it's misguided optimism on an ETF or not. I won't do on that. But there's like hope, right? There's like optimism out there as we go into the new year. And I just am grateful that we are having that this year and grateful for the turnaround in prices. And I really just wanted to create this video to just, of course, take a quick peek over here at the market, see that, not a lot's going on today. There's nothing crazy. I mean, you definitely got a bunch of green over there on the right side of the board, which we'll take any day of the week, but also leave you on kind of a light, tight, and bright note. And thank you for sticking with the channel throughout the year and hanging out and Markets in the Morning and being supportive. And to those who like the videos before they even go live, or they like the videos before the video even starts, all that type of support, it means a tremendous amount to me. And I wouldn't be here doing this if it wasn't for you guys, or if, I didn't think you cared. And fortunately, 2023 had some very special moments for me in regards to going to consensus of 2023 and meeting some people in person. Didn't really meet a ton of people in person. And I guess maybe I did, but it was more like when I went to XRP Las Vegas, I met a whole lot more people. And then, of course, when we went to the proper party in New York City, it was like 4 hours of shaking hands straight. And it was very humbling. And I do recognize that I practically live in this fantasy life. I live in this fairy tale life. I don't take that for granted. It sometimes boggles my mind how kind you guys are, and I greatly appreciate it. And I'm just grateful that this year was a much better year. Really look back on it, it's just a much better year. And it's not only just like price action, and then of course there's some prices that just haven't done tremendous, right? I mean, it's hard to believe XRP is up 100% in 2023, just with how sideways it seems like it's been, but it is up 100%. But the big thing that we got, obviously, in 2023, it was winning the lawsuit and XRP getting relisted on all the exchanges and being the only asset with regulatory clarity, and how exciting that is, and to not have that hanging over our heads any longer as we go into 2024. So I'm excited for the time ahead of us. I think 2024 is going to have lots of challenges ahead of it, but it doesn't mean there's not enough time for something absolutely magical and crazy to happen in this market. And we just know that throughout history, how long things typically last, that the crazy times of a market can really just happen in a matter of, 3 or 4 months. And that's the bulk of the whole move. So as we get ready to wrap up the year, and of course I'll be with you guys again as we go through the end of the year, but it's going to be quite a bit of a break here. It's a nice little time to kind of reflect back. For me with Christmas, it's kind of a lot like Thanksgiving, really kind of just being thankful for a lot of things that I have in my life. And of course, I am religious. I do believe in God, and I'm grateful that we were given a better year this year. And as I put together this video to go on my holiday break, we could sit here and just pinpoint talking about this range that we've been in here for, 10 days or so. But I think it's a lot better just to kind of take a zoomed out view and look at, where we've come from this year, where we're at. What has the year of 2023 been like? It has been an uptrending year, mixed with a desert crossing cruel summer, as we did anticipate to happen. Just, of course, when you're in the middle of it, it feels like it goes on forever. So otherwise, cheers to 2023. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to everybody. I appreciate you very much. And I will catch you in a week from today. So on that note, we'll wrap it up. All this time off, if you're needing to get your fix and get a dose of content from me, of course, you guys, it's a perfect time to check out bcbacker.com with over 40 videos and 11 hours of content over here, teaching you all about setting up your own charts and indicators, and teaching you about the historical behavior of the crypto market, along with a lot of downloadable PDFs. And of course, the second project that I really worked on throughout 2023. The big one, of course, was putting together BC Backer and recording all those videos. And then, of course, working on the newsletter all year and studying the altcoin market. And, if you haven't had a chance to check out the most recent one that was posted there last Friday, where really it was a culmination of the last 3 newsletters together to do a case study and study what was the right combinations for the best results in 2021, and what would that combination look like today in 2023 as we head into 2024. So there's all this stuff out here for you guys to check out while I'm gone. There's links in the description of this video and all of my videos and live streams to bcbacker.com and to blockchainbacker.substack.com for the newsletter. Otherwise, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Thank you for sticking with the channel. And I'm going to wrap this thing up, you guys. I'll catch you in a week from today. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you could, please like this video and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you could be notified of when I create new content and when I go live. As always, this is not investment advice and I am not a financial advisor, but if you ever need a pick-me-up or a little bit of reassurance, just remember that the blockchain backers got your back. Have a good one.